So one of the questions I get asked about the needle felting course is, what are we going to be making? So spoilers, if you've joined the course and you want it to be a surprise, then look away now. If you want to find out more about the course or join the course, you can comment felt in the comments below. The doors are closing soon, so don't hang about. But what will we be making? Across 6 modules, you'll build a full collection of needle felted creations that are designed to sort of boost your skills and increase your confidence step by step. So I've chosen each project carefully to show you the how and the why techniques, whilst at the same time keeping things manageable, so that each module means that you are using the techniques that you are learning. So what do you get? Woodland animals help you master the form and details. Sheep projects, always sheep, obviously. There's a forest school module theme, so that's packed with lots of natural elements, whimsy, folklore, forest fairies, storytelling, and in addition there is a course, a mini course within the course, which is a full painting with wool course, and that covers everything from blending, choosing your fabrics, to creating a beautiful needle felted picture. And of course, because it's that season, there will be a festive section so that we can carry on into the Christmas season with all our fantastic sort of joyful and seasonal makes. And then the last module, module 6, will have a beautiful showstopper where you can bring everything together that you've learned throughout the course. And remember, the course is lifetime access, so there's absolutely no rush to get these finished. It will be there next year, so you do this in your time. But the foundations of the course are what are so important, what is going to help you make all of these and continue with that confidence after the course. I can feel things dropping behind me. What's going to continue after you have finished the course is the course shapes. So at the heart of the course, there are a complete set of 6 core foundation shapes that I've worked with for many years. And these are the bedrock of 99% of needle felting projects that are not where you're not using wire. And we will be covering wire, by the way, only if you want to. That will be optional. So these are the things that we will be covering. There will be, like I say, the optional wire work. You'll have to chance just to dip into basic wire armatures if you want to, and then that's something you can pursue later on. But yeah, the core shapes, absolute foundation of everything, and those are what we're going to be building on from the start. So yeah, there you go. I'm not going to tell you exactly what we're going to be making because I may change it. I like to change things around a little bit. But you can see what's here in front of me. That gives you a good idea of what you're going to be making on the course. So like I said, the doors are closing soon. Comment felt down below or click on the link and get yourself in there. It's going to be brilliant.